Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, all signs. So, messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, so, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay? And yes, don't forget to follow Perception of Light. Okay? And syempre, sa mga naghahanap po ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi po, no? Kayo mag-message, okay? So, ano bang pwede niyang gamutin? Physical, spiritual, sanib at mga kulam. Yan ang pwede niyang gamutin. Okay? Pagdating sa inyo. Hindi daw niya ginagawa yung pagpapabalik ng mga asa-asawa, mga ritual-ritual. I don't know. Okay, pero yes, kung inyong itatanong, magsasayang lang kayo ng laway. No, hindi siya nagawa ng ganon. Okay, and yes, pagdating po sa ating, tawag dito, ating mga all-in-one evil eye. Okay, item. So, ito yung ating all-in-one evil eye bracelet. Available siya in red and black strings. Okay, so ito yung black suot ko. So, this is adjustable. Okay, this is unisex po ha. And ito po yung may initial. Okay, so dalawa yung bracelet natin. Yung isa is walang initial. Okay, pero this is unisex. Okay, so kahit anong gender mo, pwede yan sa'yo. And this is garterized po. Okay, so ang ating evil eye necklace, oh no, nabuhol ko na naman. So ito siya. Okay, ganyan siya. Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and meron po siyang extender. Okay, so para ma-adjust yung length ng chain. Okay, so okay. And ating evil eye ring. Yan. So, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and adjustable po, no? Yung ating evil eye ring. Okay? So, pagdating sa ating granter necklace, So, na-flex ko naman sa ibang video yung ating granter necklace. Tingnan nyo na lang po yung itsura, no? Oo. Pero kung interested kayo, pwede naman kami mag-send ng picture, no, ng ating granter necklace. So, si granter necklace, non-tarnish po, hypoallergenic, and yung ating pendant po is acrylic. Okay, so parang meron siyang glass. Okay, so yeah, wala ako ditong hawak kasi nakuha nung isa. Yung pang flex ko. So binigay ko kasi humabol siya, matatagalan, sayang naman sa oras. Okay, kung siya ipaghihintayin ko pa ng isa pang week. Okay, I'm sorry. So, sa iba pang mga katanungan, message na lang po kayo, ha? And yes, si granter po is made to order po, ha? Okay, made to order si granter. Okay, so, again, sa iba pang mga katanungan, so message na lang po kayo sa akin pong FB page for more info, okay? So, let's start with air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. So, anong meron? Oops! Anong meron pagdating sa inyo? Okay. One more. Okay. Air signs. Okay. The Knight of Wands. What's that? The Lovers in reversed. Hang on, sandali lamang po ha. Kaunting-kaunti lang. Bahagyaan lang. Sandali lamang. Okay. So, the Knight of Wands, the Lovers in reversed, air signs. Okay. So, we have here a fire sign or a Gemini na hindi naman talaga seryoso. Okay? Pagdating sa relasyon or pakikipag-relasyon, no? Meron ditong parang gustong lumigaw, pero their intention is not pure. Maybe. Okay? Not pure. Okay? Someone younger, some of you, pwedeng makakuha ng isang connection na short term lang. Okay? With a fire sign or a Gemini. Okay, what else? Yeah, short term. See, the Four of Wands in reverse. Some of you, merong mga pupuntahan, malayo, mga ganyan. Okay, renovation, yan, mga ganyan. What's with the Four of Wands in reverse? The Two of Swords. Okay, so parang meron ditong mapepending. Okay, or pag-iisipan, pagpaplanuhan, parang papagawa ng bahay or meron ditong magdedesisyon na lumipat ng bahay, lumipat ng lugar. Okay, so yung parang fit lang sa kinikita, parang ganun eh. Okay, meron mga gastos na pwedeng mangyari pagdating sa bahay, yung unusual. Okay, yung unusual. Yeah. Okay, so what else? Air sign. Star. Meron talaga ditong gusto, may nagkakagusto sa'yo, pero hindi ko nakikitang long term. Yeah. Okay. The Star. And the Temperance in reverse. Meron ditong mga may inggit. Okay. Lalo na sa mga aqua. Yes. Some of you, nandyan yung parang makakakuha ka ng maraming attention. Okay, a lot of attraction. Okay. Anyway, kung ano man yung nakukuha mo or makukuha mo, lagi na lang merong magagalit, lagi na lang merong bitter, lagi na lang merong may mga taong may masasabi ng hindi maganda. Okay? Temperance in reverse, please. Huwag ninyong masyadong madaliin, okay, yung sarili ninyo. Okay, pagdating sa mga ginugusto. I don't know why. Why the Temperance in reverse? The Queen of Swords. So, avoid arguments. Okay, avoid arguments. Yeah, the Three of Wands in reverse, pagdating dun sa goals. Okay, I don't know kung magkakaroon ka ng limit. Kung may limit ka pagdating sa goals and dreams mo, hindi maganda. Okay, wag mo lagyan ng limit yung sarili mo. Okay, pagdating sa mga gusto mong mangyari sa buhay. Kaya, nandoon yung bibilisan na eh. Like, if force na, parang ganyan, sarili, mapapressure na, parang ganyan. So, hindi healthy, hindi rin magiging okay. Yeah. Why the Four of Wands is here? Tingnan natin. Okay, the Three of Wands. So, itong nakikita kong energy ng short-term connection, kaya short-term, may chance kasi na pwedeng LDR, parang ganyan. Andyan yung sabihin nating issue pagdating sa distansya. Okay? Hindi ko naman sinabing kapag LDR is hindi nagtatagal. Pero itong nakikita kong to, yeah, may energy siya na pwedeng hindi siya ganun magiging ka-stable dahil may distansya or something na pwedeng may gap. Okay? So, yun nga yung iba sa inyo, may chance na lumipat ng bahay. Excuse me. Lumipat ng work. Something malayo. Somewhere malayo. Okay? So, there's plans. Okay? Next, fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Messages for fire signs, please. Okay. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Queen of Swords in reverse. Sino yan? Okay, the Three of Pentacles. Merong mapapagalitan pagdating sa workplace. Okay, sa kung saan man. Pwedeng may arguments dito. Yeah. Yeah. May mga, some of them kasi may attitude. Kaya ganun. May mga taong magti-trigger sa'yo. Mga ganyan. Why the Queen of Swords in reversed? Yeah, the Ace of Wands. Some of you, this is like competition na pwedeng mangyari. Okay? Kung saan man yan, may competition. Parang ganyan. Nandyan yung parang may mga sisiraan, may mga maninira. Okay? Some of you, may chance ng promotion, may chance ng pagtaas, no, ng status. So, may mga magagalit, may mga mabibiter. Yes. Okay, what else for fire signs? Fire signs. There is meetings na pwedeng mangyari. Yeah. Okay, Ace of Cups in reversed. May offer na mari-reject or hindi tatanggapin. The Seven of Swords. There's someone, a water sign, na pwedeng nagtatago ng emosyon sa'yo. Okay. Oh, some of you, this is your friend. Okay. Kaya nila tinatago yung emosyon nila. Let's see. What's with the Seven of Swords? What's that? Okay, the Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Some of them talagang alam nila na wala namang sabihin natin parang walang patutunguhan. O kung i-open ko man ito sa kanya. May ganyan pagdating sa'yo fire signs. Okay, pwedeng water, air, earth. Pwedeng Scorpio. Some of you, meron ditong parang may maglalaylo sa'yo. Okay, dahil i-avoid nila na talagang ma-attach sa'yo. Okay? So, in general, may mga mag-a-avoid sa'yo, fire signs. Okay? Some of you, a boss. No? Ang pwedeng ganun. Oh my God. Okay. Some of them kasi may mga responsibilidad na pwedeng may mga kakonect na. Or maybe, ikaw yung mismo dapat umavoid. Okay? Sa mga taong nagbibigay ng kung anuman pagdating sa'yo. Okay? What else? Eight of Swords in reversed. Okay, what's that? The Hierophant. Some of you, yung mga single dyan, may chance ng marriage, okay, in the near future. Okay? Yeah. Iba kasi talagang walang kakonect ngayon. Yes. Okay, what's with the Eight of Swords in reversed? Issue patungkol sa marriage, mawawala. Yeah, see? The Lovers. In the near future, okay, makakuha ka ng partner mo, like sabihin natin person mo. Yung talagang para sa'yo. Okay, and yeah, I'm seeing here marriage or a long-term connection coming in for some of you. Okay, so sa mga single and sa mga parang feeling nila kailangan ko na or sabihin natin parang I'm ready na to commit my chance. Okay? So there. Next is water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Anong message for you, water signs? Let's see. Water signs. Okay. The Two of Pentacles. Mga pagdadalawang isip. Anong meron? The Ace of Pentacles. Kung meron ditong parang energy na tatanggapin ko ba or what? Tatanggapin ko ba or hindi? Okay. An offer coming from an earth sign. Okay, like Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or some of you, you're confused, maybe. Delays. There's a lot of delays here with an earth sign. Why? Ano tong Two of Pentacles? Yeah, some of you, this is your past person. Okay? I don't know why they're sabihin nating juggling. Okay? If they're not ready, pagdating sa commitments, maybe. But they love you. Maybe you love them. Okay? So, ganyan. The Seven of Cups in reverse, this is telling me na talagang there's no one na pwedeng makapantay. Parang ganun eh. So, still someone from the past is still choosing you. Parang ganyan. Pero, some of them, hindi sila totally sure. Okay? Kung dapat pa ba or what? Okay? The Ace of Pentacles is here. Yeah. The Four of Cups. Some of you, pwedeng ikaw itong parang in doubt talaga. Like, ano kaya? Gusto pa rin ba kaya niya ako? May mga ganong pag-iisip. May mga ganong kanegativan. Hindi naman sa negative, no? Pero may mga pag-iisip lang, actually. Okay? Yeah, someone from the past is still thinking of you, still likes you, still love you. Mga ganyan. Pero, wala akong nakikita ritong offer. Okay? Meron dito kasing nasasayangan or ayaw masayangan. Okay? So, there. What else for water signs? Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Queen of Pentacles in reversed. What's that? Someone is stressed. The Two of Wands. Meron ditong gusto ng lumayo dahil sobrang stress. Okay? Gusto na ng pagbabago sa buhay niya. Someone like a mother figure or a father figure. Okay? Yeah. Someone na talagang gusto nang magkaroon ng stability. Wanting to focus on their career or on their stability or yeah. Okay? Meron ditong gustong lumayo at magkaroon ng pagbabago. Yes. Bakit sila stress? The Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Ito yung taong parang provide kahit walang naibibigay sa sarili or walang nakukuha pabalik. Okay? Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, yeah. See, the Sun is in the reverse. They're sad, unhappy, like hindi sila nakakaramdam ng fulfillment like that. Okay? Masyado lang sila totally like, yeah, dumarating na sa puntong gusto na nilang i-drop to. Gusto ng talikuran to. Masyado na. This is so consuming, mga ganyan. Okay? What else? I'm seeing here, ito this is not for all, no? Pero I'm seeing here someone pregnant na pwedeng mapaaga yung pag-anak or sana walang bleeding dito. Okay? Or miscarriage. Sana wala. Okay. What else for water signs? Be careful. Okay? Sa mga preggibles dyan. Okay? Eight of Swords in reversed. A release. What's that? The King of Wands in reverse. A release from someone's control. Okay. Holding back. Some of you, makakaalis ka sa isang pangungontrol sa'yo. Sa pangungontrol kung hindi ka susunod. Okay? Kung kaya mo mag-hold back. Excuse me. Okay? Kung kaya mong alisan. Yeah. Okay? Maalisan mo lang itong sitwasyon na to na hindi tama or hindi maganda kung hihindian mo. Kung ikaw mismo ang lalayo. Okay? Hindi mo para sabihin, paano po ako makakaalis sa ganito? Sa kanya. Oo, kasi po tawag siya ng tawag. Ayoko naman na po. Simple lang. Huwag mo sagutin. Diba? Real talk lang. Kung bibigyan mo ng atensyon, ng oras, yung taong yan, kahit alam mong hindi na dapat, makokontrol at makokontrol ka pa rinan. Okay? Mahirap yan kung hindi mo kaya. Kung hindi mo kayang gawin yung pag-alis. Talaga mapapatanong ka, paano po? Paano po ako makakaalis dito sa taong ito na ayaw ko naman na? Or sabihin nating nahihirapan ka na. Hindi, umalis ka. Yun lang naman. Okay? Why? Ba't nahihirapan? Pwedeng nag-hold on ka pa rin, actually. Okay, next. Earth signs. Okay, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay, Earth signs. What's for you, Earth signs? The Five of Swords in reversed. What's that? The Fool in reversed. Narinig ko, take it slow. Oo, may narinig akong ganon. Just take it slow. Relax ka lang. Okay. Okay. Slowly but surely. Mga ganon. Okay, so yeah, a message for you. There's an air sign or an Aries na gustong makipag-ayos. Gustong makipag-usap. Why the Fool in reversed? The King of Pentacles in reverse. Alam nyo kung sino man to, practical lang tong taong to. Okay? Practical lang siya. Some of you pwedeng kailangan lang talaga makipag-ayos sa'yo. Okay? So what else for Earth signs? The Six of Swords. What's that? Some of you, this is travel. Stress, pwedeng maalisan na. Okay? You have the Seven of Wands. Magbigay ka ng limit. Okay? Meron ditong magi-stop. May malilimitahan. May madi-delay or sabihin nating hindi makakaalis agad-agad. May something. Ano tong Seven of Wands? Yeah, the Five of Wands in reverse. The Two of Swords. Ito yung parang oops. Parang ganon. Eventually, I think some of you meron ditong may marireschedule. Okay? So, hindi naman ito talaga magiging problem in the near future. May mga gusto nang makalimot. Some of you, there's someone na pwedeng i-block mo or i-block ka para lang hindi makapag-provide pa ng mas maraming problem if ever. What else? The Queen of Swords. Being silent and detached. There's someone, an air sign, who is silent and detached. Okay? Cold. Why is that? Queen of Swords. Yeah, the Ten of Swords in reverse. Kung sino man tong air sign na to na parang naglalaylo or sabihin nating parang kina-cut off ka, may chance na mas pinipili nila na mag-heal from you. Okay? Mas pinipili nila mag-heal. Yeah, they're moving on, some of them. Okay. What's with the Ten of Swords? In reversed. Yeah, the Queen of Wands. Some of you, pwedeng same gender kayo nitong taong to. Okay. Yeah, meron ditong gustong sabihin natin parang maging okay na. Yes. Pinipili kung anong tama. And avoiding those na parang alam na puro waste of time lang ang maipo-provide. Yeah, the Ace of Cups is self-love. This is healing. Okay? So, yeah. Yun lamang ang nakukuha ko rito. pagdating sa mga kaperahan, mga karir nyo, ang sinasabi, unang-unang message is, slowly but surely. Okay? Yun ang naririnig ko. Yun ang advice para sa inyo. I don't know kung saan nyo ilulugar yun. Pero kaya, kanya-kanya. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for all signs. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.